I think this just might be the best ham I have ever tasted. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy glazed ham. For this I'm using a 10-pound ham, and this ham is fully cooked. I'm going to take some whole cloves and put it in a sliced part of the ham. I saw this recipe on the Pioneer Woman and I decided to try it, and let me tell you, this is my new favorite way of making ham. I love it so much. I'm going to leave her video link below for you so you can check it out. She said you don't have to put cloves all over the ham, you can just put it on the front part and it just gives it a nice subtle flavor. Okay, to my pan I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Cover with aluminum foil to seal in the moisture. You just don't want your ham to dry out. Put this in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake it for an hour and a half. For the last half hour of the baking, you can go ahead and make up your glaze to put on top. To your pot, you're going to add 3 cups of brown sugar, half cup of spicy brown mustard, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 can of Dr. Pepper. She said you can use Coke if you want to, so it's up to you. Turn your stove on to medium heat and you're going to let this cook for 20 minutes. But keep stirring it because at some point it's going to look like it's going to boil over, so just keep an eye on it. This scared me for a minute. I had to lift the pot up off the stove because it was about to boil over. This sauce is not going to get thick, but when you put it on a ham, it's going to get thick. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. Now I'm going to put my first layer of glaze on top. You want to generously brush that glaze on top. Just bathe it with that glaze. I'm going to put this back in the oven, but this time I'm not going to cover it. So you're going to put it there and let it bake for 20 minutes. Then you're going to take it out and glaze it again. Would you just look at that? Look how beautiful that looks already. So now I'm going to glaze it a second time. My hubby was helping me move the ham because it was just so heavy. Okay, now I'm going to glaze it one last time, so it's a total of 3 times. And each time you do it, you want to put it back in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. So in total, the ham baked for 2.5 hours. This recipe is going to give you a lot of glaze, so if you want, you can cut the recipe in half. She said she likes to have extra glaze, but I feel like I had way too much, so I think next time I would just cut the recipe in half. just because I don't know what else to do with the rest of it and I don't like to waste things. When I say this is my new favorite way of making a ham, it is. I think this is the only way I'll ever make it. It was just so good. Before you eat it, you want to make sure you take out the cloves. I was eyeing this piece right here. I like the burnt crispy piece. Oh my gosh, that is just so good. It was everything. It almost tastes like I was eating a nice piece of barbecue. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's going to be one of those recipes you want to keep with you forever. So I really hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.